Hey y'all, Iris here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a project that we are working on our homestead right now, which is a gravity-fed rainwater collection system. This is a work in progress for us, and we are using a lot of recycled materials that we have just around the house. I really love the idea of using water and gravity to water all of our plants and animals here on the homestead in a sustainable way that is really low maintenance once you put the work in and get it set up. What we have done is put a 275-gallon IBC tote on one of the highest points of our property. And above that, we are using a recycled above ground pool to harvest the rainwater. Like I said, we're using a lot of recycled materials, but anything that I have bought, I will link in the description box below. I will also link the original inspiration for this project. It came from a YouTube channel called Homesteadonomics and a video called The Wildlife Waterer. I will link that video in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.